Hi everyone. Welcome to the Coloring Party with Friends 2025 collaboration. This is an open collaboration which is hosted by Disney and Coloring with Jamie and co-hosted by Crafting with Pat and Moore. And they just finished this book. I missed doing the last page, which actually was watermelon for last week. But now they're starting this book and I have it as well. So I'm going to color along this year. And I don't have all the pages obviously done in this because I came into the coloring party late. But I'll go back and color some of these throughout the year and next year probably as I want to color some of those pages. But for now, I'm going to try and do a page out of this every week or as I can, and I'm trying and keep up with it a little better than I did last year. We shall see. I don't know. Monday's not the best day for me to to color, have all these videos go up. There's like 3 different collabs on Mondays, and it doesn't actually work out real well for me because the weekends I don't get as much done. Unlike most people who are working and stuff, I'm retired, but that's kind of my family time with my son and my daughter and stuff when they have events and things. But anyway, um, and yeah. So anyway, I did do the first page in this book, and let's see what it is. It is a giraffe. Now, I was going to use alcohol markers, and then I saw all those little spots on this giraffe, and I thought, that's going to lend itself better to colored pencil. So I pulled out my Prismacolor colored pencils, and I did look up pictures of giraffes, which actually they have a little more white on them around the head and the bottom of the legs, but I used a beige and sort of a golden, I forget the color name. I used Prismacolor, sort of a yellow ochre or something like that, I think it was called. And then sort of a saddle brown, and then the manes and the tail are, and these little knobbies and the hooves are black in all the pictures I saw. I used a combination of black and a very dark brown. I think it actually was called dark brown to give it a little more texture. Um, it was a little tedious. There's a lot of spots, but it's okay. I think the giraffe is adorable, and I have never been on African safari. I would love to sometime, except that I have trouble with the sun and the heat, so skin cancer kind of stuff. So I probably will never get there. But I have seen them in the zoo. Been years since I've been to. There's 2 zoos. There's the Philadelphia Zoo, which is the biggest one around here, and then there's a smaller one. Well, I think the smaller one is still there, which is outside of Philadelphia, about the same distance, but easier to get to for us. Maybe I'll get there with my daughter and youngest granddaughter this summer or something. We'll see. So that's what I did, and then next week is this ship at sea, the boat, and the life uh, ring. I don't know what they're called. Lifesaver. I guess they're called a lifesaver, like the lifesavers. Yeah. So that'll be fun and good for we're heading into summer, so perfect. Okay, that's it for now, and please do check out Jamie at Disney and Coloring with Jamie, and also Pat at Crafting with Pat and More. They do a number of open collaborations, various ones, and Pat does more. She does puzzling and I think diamond painting too, and other stuff I'm sure. So, but mostly coloring on both channels. So, and Jamie has at least one other channel, which I forget the name of, so I won't mention it here. But go check him out. I'm sure it's listed in his information box and stuff. Okay, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day. It's Monday. May 19th, 2025, when I'm recording this and putting it up. And I will talk to you again probably tomorrow. Yeah, definitely tomorrow. I won't be home most of today, so I will see you later. Bye.